welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to file a request for Provisional Tax Certificate of Exemption. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the Request tile. Click Certificate and select Request for Provisional Tax Certificate of Exemption. Please read these instructions carefully before proceeding. Check the box once you have read and understood. Click the Continue button to proceed. Here, you'll need to state the reason for making a request for COE. Save the form before attaching your supporting documents. If you're an individual, your TIN will be auto-populated in the TIN entry field. For non-individuals, you will need to enter your TIN in the field provided. Click on Submit button to submit the form. Once the form has been processed by FRCS, the taxpayer will be notified through the Correspondence tile. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.